welcome back to Faith and Flour. If you're new to my channel, my name is Robin. Today's video is a relaxing rainy day clean with me, but our day did not start off that way. In fact, it was a beautiful sunny day here in Texas. The temperatures had started to climb back up into the 90s. However, a cold front was expected to come in later in the day, and with that, it was going to bring rain. So I wanted to spend the day preparing for a cozy evening at home. One of my goals is to get the ironing finished for the day, and so I thought I would show you guys a little bit more about the iron steamer that I use because a lot of you had questions. This iron and steamer combination was sent to me by the company A-Box quite a while ago for me to review, and I have been using it ever since. In fact, I even got rid of my traditional iron because I think it worked so much better. After filling the reservoir with water, and I use distilled, and I would recommend that especially if you have hard water like we do, it heats up in no time. And because it uses steam, it really speeds up my ironing time. And you can use it on an ironing board like I'm doing today, but you can also use it as a traditional steamer with garments hanging. This video is not sponsored by A-Box, but I love this iron steamer combination so much, and because you guys have had so many questions about it, I thought I'd give you more information today. You can always find it. It's in my Amazon store, and the link for that is in the description box below in case you're interested. A sort of bonus favorite feature of mine is the fact that the width of this iron gets in between buttons when I'm ironing shirts perfectly. And I think this was probably meant for travel, but I use it for our regular everyday iron and I love it. The storm rolling in and cooler weather, I would like to make a cozy dinner for tonight, and I want to prepare it in the crock pot. But before I get started on that, I realized that my dish soap was getting low, so I'm refilling that. And I've decided to use this Method Clementine scented dish soap, which smells amazing, but the jury for me is still out on this orange color. Dinner for tonight is going to be a chickpea chickpea curry. And for all of my subscribers from India, I know this is probably not authentic, but this is something that I have made up, sort of a variation of another recipe, and my family really loves it. And this type of thing is just so perfect for a cozy evening at home, especially when it's storming outside. Things are still looking hot and sunny outside, and I noticed these beautiful acorns growing in our front yard, and they are just perfect, so pretty, and I want to gather up some to use as decor inside. Outside, the clouds are starting to gather. I can see the rainstorm in the distance, and I know it'll be here soon. Preparing dinner ahead of time in the crock pot means that our evening can be so much more relaxing, and even more so if I go ahead and clean everything that I use for prepping now. wooden spoons and utensils are looking pretty rough, so I'm going to gather them up, take them outside, and give them some much needed TLC. Lightly sanding my wooden spoons with a fine grit piece of sandpaper will help smooth out the rough edges and remove any stains, and will just get them looking a lot more like new. Then I'll take them inside, give them a thorough washing, and then seal them up with some coconut oil. And you can see why I chose to do this outside.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy we go, easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sight, reaching for the grand. Swillows, we lose track of time. Let up high, now we climb. Dreamy, breezy we go, easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. A bigger scale, the world inhales. I wouldn't want it any other way, no. Dreamy, breezy we go, easy, easy on our tiptoes.
We have a metal roof on our house, so as you can hear, the rain is very audible inside the house, and I love that sound. I find it so cozy and relaxing. And now that the spoons are dry, I'm just going to take some coconut oil and generously rub it in, and then remove any excess with this clean cloth. And this will seal them up and protect them and condition the wood so that they will stay in good shape. I love this cutting board. It comes from IKEA. I get a lot of questions about that too, and it could really benefit from having some coconut oil rubbed into it as well. Earlier I put some rice in to cook in my Instant Pot, and now that that's ready, I can serve dinner. about this chickpea curry. It is a really great plant-based meal, so easy, nutritious, and delicious, and I like to top it with a little bit of coconut and Major Grey's chutney. You can find my recipe in the description box below. Rain has stopped for now, but I can see new clouds gathering on the horizon, so I'm sure we're in for another spectacular storm. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you're new here, I would love to have you as a subscriber. Make sure you activate the bell icon so that you are notified each time I upload a new video and you don't miss out on anything. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. I hope you have a great week, and I'll see you in the next video.